My name is Avinav Shukla, and today I am discussing about my project. Basically, I am from 15 September batch DSAI ML group, and my project is Flipkart. This is a EDA submission template. In that EDA project, there is it is the data. These projects involve an exploratory data of a customer database. Was the primary objective was to gain insight into customer interactions, was to gain insight into identify key areas of concern and understand the factors of influencing examining the distribution of customer interaction across different channel categorize customer issues, understanding agent, demographics like tenure and shift. Now let's begin to our code. This is our my library. In that library, I import the database to through this file customer support data.csv. If I run this okay, import libraries, then it can import my CSV file, load my CSV file, so I can analysis that what kind of stuff are included in that file, and then I sort that file analysis and remove null factors. Okay, this is my dataset total. This is my total dataset rows and columns. There is 585,907 rows and 20 columns. This is my panda info. Here is a roll all. Okay, the duplicate value of this of my dataset is 0, and the null value, this is my null values are present in that my data set. This is the um, diagram of my missing values. Here are the more missing values are now. Okay, understanding your variables descriptions. The analysis also highlighted the need for optimizing stock based on channel volume and shift distributions. These on channel move on shift. These insights provide the foundation and to for the client to implement target strategies to enhance the customer experience. Here, my data visualizations part in that chart. In that chart, I visualize the channel name of my dataset. Okay, when I run that part, you can visualize you can see my dataset number of interactions and my channel name. Okay, this is where did you pick up that allocate resource effectively, identify areas of improvement. This data, so if I evaluate this data set, then it helps me to improve these areas. And this is the insights of the data set. The majority of customers outcall emails. This is my chat 2. This is my chat 3. In the chat 2, I specialize on categorical part. In my chat 3, I specific on this chat is specified on soft categorical part. Okay, and there is many chats, so I cannot explain the further questions. I basically explain. This is my chat 4. This chat 4 shown that the tenure pocket and the number of agents are present in their dataset. Uh, Okay, this helps me to build under the 19 of buckets 0 to 30 jobs structure in the chat 5 we compare the this is the agent shift and the number of agent dataset chat 6 chat 7 chat 8 chat 9 in that chat 6 shows the distribution of sat score. It's basically present in that chat 7 in that chat 8 we basically shows okay in that chat 8 we shows that the comparison between the categorical path and sat score chat we basically discuss about the channel distribution issues category agent tenure sat score product categories and no strong numerical classification. So the product in that channel distribution, the majority of customers interactions occur through the inbound channel, highlighting its importance in customer support operations. Okay, in the issue category, order returned returns agent that like plot indicate no strong linear relationship between the numerical variables like item price, handling time, and SAT score. These insights collectively provide a comprehensive overview of the customer support landscape and can inform strategies to enhance efficiency and satisfactions. This is my pair plot. If distributions of each variable, you can see that item price um, and connected handling time SAT score has distinct peak at each score value. The off diagonal scatter plots show how each pair of numerical variables relates. In your case, these plots confirm the weak correlation seen in the heat map correlationship. In that heat map, there are no strong linear relationship between the item price, handling time, and the SAT score. In that, okay, let's this chart shows average SAT score axis, different agent tenure groups. You can see the new agent on job training 0 to 30 tenure have slightly lower coverage SAT score compared to more experienced agent. This is my solution part, solution to business objective based on the analysis. The main solution to achieve the business objective to improve customer support and satisfactions, addressing common issues like focus on improving how issues related to orders, returns, and cancellations are handled. Supporting new agents provide extra training to newer agents as they train to have slightly slower customer satisfactions, satisfying ensure enough agents are available during busy periods and on the most used channels. This is the whole description of my EDA submission template of my Flipkart project. Thank you.